Jodolo e kanisa ma Pentecost wacho ni ywaruok mar siasa e pachoka nyalo biro kelo pogruok e kind oganda kaluwore kod lwasi makoro tedore. Jodolo kotelni kod Peter Manyuru kwa josiasa mondo kung dhogi kendo keyo liet mar siasa. Manyuru wacho ni Thicho Gachagua biro duoko lwasi mar siasa kendo oganda ok nobed kod kwe makare. Okwayo kwe mondo kendo jiwo jotelo mondo los e kindgi kaka yor yudo duoko mag ywaruok.
We express our deep concern regarding the current political discussions surrounding the potential impeachment of the Deputy President of Kenya, His Excellency Thicho Gachagua. Given the stature and prominence of the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya as the second highest executive office in the country, there is no doubt that the impeachment of the holder of that office would lead to political uncertainty, instability, and chaos, regardless of the merits or otherwise. This has become apparent in recent weeks as the country appears to have reverted to campaign mentality with increased political tensions just 2 years into the current administration and 3 years before the next general election.